Hi, I'm Paweł Spychalski and I wish I was able to record this video in a slightly better lighting conditions. I was really hoping for some direct sunlight. Unfortunately, after having some sunlight in the morning, then the clouds came, it was raining. Now looks like there is a short period of time when there is still some daylight and it's not raining. Because today we're gonna take a look, actually a first look at the FPV camera. Originally only wanted to mention somewhere, but when I connected the camera to my quad and saw how good the image looked in the inside of my apartment only with artificial lighting, I decided maybe this camera really should get a separate video, because apparently it's very good, or at least has a potential of being a very good FPV camera. The camera I'm talking about is the Foxeer T-Rex 1500 TV lines. The camera is in the quad already, so there is not really much I can tell you or show you about this, because from the outside it really looks like a regular micro sized camera with the name on the back, just like any other Foxeer camera. And it's just a camera. It's just a camera. However, the main question is it any good? And the answer to this very particular question, hopefully you will get very soon. I'm in my favorite flying spot. I will just put the goggles on, put in some batteries, and we will see on the DVRs how good is it. And I do really have to say I have high hopes for it. Verdict? Oh boy, this thing is amazing. I'm really, I'm really impressed how well the Foxeer T-Rex behaved today. Is it possibly as close as the analog FPV can get to the digital? Not sure. I'm pretty sure that if the manufacturers of the analog hardware really want to try, they can come up with something better than the Foxeer T-Rex. However, probably from all the cameras, FPV cameras I tested so far, the T-Rex definitely is just the best for the FPV. Not sure about the racing. I'm not really a very good racer, or I'm doing any racing. However, I loved the clean image. There are no artifacts that were appearing from time to time when I was using my previous favorite favorite FPV camera, which was, because now the T-Rex is my favorite camera, which was the Micro Eagle from Runcam. And the colors are super nice, they are not oversaturated, and you can see a lot of details. You can even see the leaves on the trees, and in general I really do love how the T-Rex works. I only wish that today's lightning was slightly more direct, there is more sun, and we will be able to see how this thing behaves in the direct sunlight. Or for example, we're going from the direct sunlight into the forest over there when there is really a lot of shadows. But I really do love the T-Rex. I bet, no, I don't bet, this becomes my favorite camera, and I'm kinda mad about that, because that probably means I will have to order some of the T-Rexes, because I would like to have the T-Rex on this quad, I would like to have the T-Rex on the second and the third. Oh man, Foxeer, please, can I have some more samples? No, but seriously, I'm really impressed. From what I tested so far, this is probably the best image quality FPV camera. Not sure about the latest development on the Runcam part, because I have no idea yet how the Eagle 3 behaves, but this is much better than the Eagle 2, much better than the Micro Eagle. And in general, I do think that, yeah, for the freestyle, for the regular usage of the quads, when you really do want to have a nice image on your goggles, yeah, definitely get yourself the new Foxeer T-Rex. I know this was not supposed to be a review, but kinda came up to be a review right now. I just wanted to present some facts, but the facts are just bloody amazing. Amazing. I was not so hyped about the camera for a really a while. So I think we will be ending over here. There is not much to say. When I will have the update about how this camera behaves in the more direct and more sunny conditions, which I doubt we'll be able to do very soon. On the other hand, there's some light almost, so maybe. And I only wish that the quality of the DVR in my HDO2 was kinda better, and you would be able to see more of the fine details this camera really produces. So good job, Foxeer, really amazing. I'm too optimistic now. Good job, Foxeer, and keep up the good pace. I'm pretty sure you can come up with something better than the T-Rex that will still close the gap between the analog and the digital FPV. So thank you for watching, and until the next one, bye bye.